Lesson 17 India, her past and future. Intellectual questions answer. In-text question 17.1. 1. Answer the questions briefly. A. What aspect of ancient India filled Nehru with pride and wonder? List out such aspect. Answer. Aspects of ancient India that fill Nehru with pride are 1. Strong and energetic race. 2. Eager to know spirit of curiosity. 3. Mature and tolerant civilization. 4. Forever searching for truth and spiritual knowledge. B. Did the situation in India changes for the better or worse? Give 3 reasons to support your answer. Answer. In the medieval India, the situation changes for the worse. 3 reasons are 1. In the place of freshness and youth, old age and bad temper gained ground. 2. Narrow caste divisions and customs become more important than broad-minded vision. 3. India was invaded by Mughal and Islam. C. What saved India from complete deterioration? Give 2 reasons. And answer. India saved from complete deterioration for the following reasons. 1. India was saved by her ability to adapt to the great changes and influences that came in, and 2. India never forgot her past glories and traditions. D. What negative effect have Western invasion had on our country? Did it have any positive effect too? If so, what? Answer. Negative effects of Western invasion was exploitation of people and resources by foreigners. The positive effect was the impact of fresh European ideas and knowledge. Europeans brought industrial revolution early in our country. In text question 17.2. 1. Say whether the following statements are true or false. A. Nehru is making this speech in a period of stability many years after India won her independence. Answer. False. B. There worries and confusion in Nehru's mind about the best way forward. Answer. True. C. Nehru is against change. Answer. False. D. Nehru is a man of science and has faith in the powers of technology. Answer. True. E. Nehru does not want to complete break with the rich traditions of the past. Answer. True. 2. Answer the following questions briefly. A. As the Prime Minister of the country, what are the major tasks that Nehru faces? Answer. Nehru's main tasks are 1. To choose the best structure that will lead the country to prosperity and progress. 2. To steer people to task action that bring change. B. What makes Nehru's task difficult? Answer. Nehru's task is made difficult by the disturbedness and confusion of the times. There is also maintained conflict caused by trying to retain both old values and spirit and material progress. C. What model of change does Gandhiji provide? What are its advantages? Answer. Gandhiji's model uses both continuity and change. The advantages are that it uses truth and peaceful ways to bring about revolutionary changes. He was methods that are Indian in origin. D. Is Nehru for continuity and or change? Pick out words and phrases from the text in support of your answer. Answer. Nehru wants both continuity and change. Today deny the past and break with it completely. It is to uproot ourselves and selfless dry up. This sentence shows the importance he gives to the past. His praise of Gandhiji's revolutionary work shows the importance Nehru gives to change. E. What role does Nehru give to science and technology? Answer. Science and technology will be able to solve the problem of providing primary necessity of life to everyone all over the world. In text question 17.3. 1. The table below presents the 2 opposing trends that coexist in modern India. Reread the section to fill in the blank spaces in the table. Positive trends, negative trends. 1. Hope, 1 dash, 2 dash, 2 inertia, 3 dash, 3 practice old ritual and narrow customs, 4 growing unity, 4 dash. Answer. Positive trends, negative trends. 1 hope, 1 anguish, 2 remarkable advances, 2 inertia, 3 adopt a new spirit, 3 practice old ritual and narrow customs, 4 growing unity, 4 many disruptive tendencies. 2. Answer the following questions briefly. A. What does Nehru find most remarkable about people now? Answer. Nehru finds it most remarkable that people who refused to change in the past are now marching forward with speed and determination. 3. Choose words from the list below to describe the mood of Nehru's speech. Light-hearted, thoughtful, sad, optimistic, angry, unconcerned, balanced. Answer. Thoughtful, optimistic, balanced. 4. What can you tell about the times in which Nehru made this speech? Answer. Nehru made this speech at a time of confusion and conflict among Indians on the basis of caste, religion and region. 5. What do we learn about Nehru from this speech? Answer. From this speech, we have learned that Nehru has a deep knowledge of Indian history. He appears to be concerned and does not speak in a language of hatred or anger. He is a man of science and has deep faith in science and technology. 6. Describe in about 5 sentences Nehru's vision of future India. Answer. 5 sentences Nehru's vision of future India are: 1. He wants India would advance leaps and bounds to material progress for her vast population. 2. He hopes that conflicts that take place in the name of religion, caste or region should stop. 3. He wants India to be vibrant. 4. He wants its democracy on a socialist pattern. 5. He wants a casteless and classless society. Additional questions. Answers. 1. What according to Nehru would be the task of a brave man? Answer. According to Nehru, the task of a brave man would be to endeavor to understand and describe the India of today.